Assalamualaikum. We are from the last group. Will present workplace environment and ergonomic about cafeteria. Okay, my name is Sharin and I will present about the level of workplace environment. First, it seems that the area is narrow and there are too many items that cause the area to be crowded. Second, dangerous gas barrel position that can cause gas to explode due to the too strong heat from the cooking area. The third, condensed milk that is left open can cause the milk to be eaten by the ants. Indirectly, the condensed milk will be mixed with the ant. Next, the coffee filter is not washed and reused. This will cause customers to drink less clean coffee water. And the last one, a cement floor that does not have tiles will cause us to fall if water is spilled on the floor. Next, sharizman will present about the topic.
Okay, my name is sharizman and I will present about the rules and legislation. The main goal behind OSHA is to establish that having a safe workplace is a basic human right and that no worker should have to choose between their life and their job. Safety and health complaints are filed by employers who believe their work conditions are unsafe or detrimental to their health. Before filing, workers should try to bring the issue to the employer's attention in an attempt to correct the problem without involving OSHA. If this isn't possible, though employers can file a confidential report with OSHA to request an inspection of their workplace. There are a diverse range of potential safety hazards that your employers can encounter at your restaurant on a daily basis. These general hazards include the following: slips, trips, and falls on slippery floors, back and arm strain from lifting heavy trays and boxes, burns from hot servingware and cooking equipment, cuts during food preparation, injuries from workplace violence, back and leg strain from standing for extended periods of time, skin or eye irritation from spilled chemicals. Despite the potential for workplace injuries in food service environment, it's easy to make your restaurant a safe place to work. A few of the most effective strategies are detailed below. That's all for me, and Hairil will present the next point.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad HAIRIEL bin Alfred. Now, I will present about my group view and comment on safe work practice. Firstly, arrange kitchen utensil and items in an orderly manner and safe from animals such as rats or cockroach. Secondly, position the guests in a suitable place to prevent the guests from calling and to avoid dangerous things. And then place food in a safe, clean place to prevent food poisoning caused by rats and cockroach. And then wash cooking utensils and clean after using the items to maintain cleanliness for customer. Lastly, make sure the floor is always dry and clean to avoid accidents or install rock ceramic floors so that workers do not fall when the floor is wet. Next, Raidyca will present for the next topic. Greetings, my name is Raidyca Chen. I will present about recommend improvement. First, arrange item more orderly, buy an ice box to store reusable food item. 2. Use a serving lid to cover the food. Number 3. Make a special place for guests. For example, bring a table hidden. Number 4. Make a dishwasher sink. And finally, use the closet to store things. That's from our group. Thank you.